there! Pizza is my very favorite food. But when I'm done eating my pizza, I have a leftover pizza box. And I had an idea to make something with my leftover pizza box. Take a look. I made a beanbag toss game. I'll tell you how I made it. First, I made sure that my pizza box was really clean. No more pizza crumbs. Then I carefully cut out 3 holes. I made a triangle, a square, and a circle. And I used 2 chopsticks with some tape just to hold it up a little bit. So I had it on a nice angle for my beanbags. But I still need to decorate it. I have some stickers here that we can use to decorate my pizza box. Some circles and squares, hearts, and triangles. And some numbers. Let's give each hole a different point number. So maybe we should put a 1 by the square. The square would be the easiest hole to get your beanbag in. So we'll put a 1 for 1 point by the square. What hole should be 2 points? I think the circle. The triangle looks really hard. So the circle should be 2 points. And the triangle can be 3 points. The triangle looks the smallest. That one's gonna be tough. There we go. Put that right there for the red triangle. And now we can decorate it with some stickers. How about a green circle and a purple circle? Right here. It's gonna be nice and colorful. A purple triangle up here. And a green triangle over here. I'm gonna add some hearts. A red heart. Ta-da! Maybe a blue heart. Here we go. How about right there? Let's add a couple more. Ooh, we need some squares. Yellow square. Nice. And how about a green square? Put this green square up here. I think that looks really good. Okay, our beanbag game is ready to play. Wait a minute. I'm missing something, aren't I? I need beanbags, of course. I'll show you how you can make some beanbags at home. It's really easy. All you need are some socks that you don't use anymore. So I have some mismatched socks here and some rice. And then when you're done, you can tie it with an elastic band. So you can take one of your socks, hold it open, and put the rice in using a little spoon. You can hold it open to put the rice in, or if you have a funnel like this, that makes it really easy. You put the sock around the funnel, like that, and scoop in the rice. And then check your beanbag to see if it's as full as you like. I want a little bit more rice. A little bit more. There we go. That's good. We'll put this aside. Oh, get the spoon back in there. And then we can tie it off with an elastic band. Just pull the elastic band around. Make sure all the rice is at the bottom. And tie it up till it's nice and tight. As many times as you can comfortably make the elastic band go around. And that'll be good enough. Then just take some scissors and cut off the top of the sock like that. So you're left with a beautiful beanbag. Some of my rice got out. There we go. I think we got it all in there. That's how you make an easy beanbag that you can do at home. All right, let's put all this away and we'll get ready to play our beanbag toss game. Put that over there. Here we go. I'll set this up right here. Got some other bean bags. Let's play. Okay. I'm gonna start by trying to get, let's see, how about the blue square? That's 1 point. Here I go. 1, 2, 3. Yes! 1 point! Woohoo! All right. Now how about 2 points? I'll try for the yellow circle. Okay, here I go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I missed. Okay, I'm gonna try again. I got another beanbag. 1, 2, 3. Yes! 2 points. Woohoo! Now, I'm gonna try and get 3 points in the triangle. Ooh, I hope I can do it. I might need lots of tries for this one. Get these beanbags out. Okay, red triangle, 3 points. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yes! 3 points! Oh, that was so much fun. If you make your own beanbag toss game at home, make sure to share it on social media and use the hashtag Caitie's Classroom. I'd love to see what you make with your leftover pizza boxes. See you later. Hi friends, let's make a deal. If I get 3 points in the beanbag toss, you have to subscribe to Caitie's Classroom. All right, here we go. Please subscribe.
Woo!